Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to see about one of the most important topic in a classical encryption technique that is known as Hill Cipher. Hill Cipher is also it is nothing but here also we are going to encrypt a pairing of letters. It is nothing but it is also known as polygraph. Why it is named as polygraph means we are going to perform a pair of letters at a time. Okay, here the next important thing in this is key. So how we are going to construct a key means key should be in the form of 2 cross 2 matrix, like 2 cross 2 matrix, like 2 4 6 8. So this is a simple example for constructing a key form in a Hill cipher. Okay, then another important thing is it is full of mathematical concepts. So mathematical, it is nothing but we are going to all the operations inside the Hill cipher should be based on a matrix. Okay, then for example, how we are going to construct a key matrix in the sense, first how many alphabets we are having, so A B C D E F G H M N O P. Okay, so these are the alphabets we are having. So let's start with some number assigning. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 19 20 21 23 24 and then 25. So why we are constructing this means we need some numbers, like for an example consider our key is view. So how we construct this plain text, letters into number means with the help of these number assigning systems. So like B should be written as BIEW. So what is the value of B here? What is the value of B? It is 21. What is the value of I here? 8. What is the value of E here? It is 4. What is the value of W? It is 22. Likewise, we are going to construct or rearranging the given given key letters into numbers. Okay, these are the important points to be noted before going to perform an encryption and decryption function. Then what is the formula to performing an encryption function in Hill cipher is the output should be a cipher text, then key, plain text, and then mod 26. So this is the formula to find a given plain text into cipher text. Okay, so here K is a cipher text, K is represented as key, P is a plain text. Then most important question is why we are taking mod 26. Why we are taking? Because of we are using alphabets in A to Z. That's why. So 0 to 25 So that is the reason we are going to take a mode of 26. Okay, then comes to decryption functions. So decryption function is nothing but the output should be a plain text, then k inverse of given key, then ciphertext. So 126. So this is the formula for get back our original plain text in a decryption functions. So here the most challenging part is how to find a k inverse. That is the most challenging part here. So what is the formula for finding k inverse? It is nothing but 1 divided by determinant of D and then adjacent of given matrix. Whatever the matrix are given. So this is the formula to find a k inverse, that is 1 divided by adjacent of determinant of D and then adjustment of A. Okay, then so let's start with some small example here. So for this example, our plain text should be a attack and then key should be a 2 3 2 and 6. Okay. In order to perform encryption function, we need some prerequisite, that is a plain text and then key. Then what is the formula to encrypt? So in the encryption, the formula is ciphertext equal to kp mod 26. This is the formula for finding a ciphertext. So we have the value of k and we know the value of p. So p is in the form of letters. So we all know Hill Cipher is a polyalphabetic. At a time we can take a multi alphabets or letters. Okay, so let's split the given plain text into pair of letters, that is like this. Then this is splitting of given plain text into pairs, like what is the format for key here? That is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Then again the plain text should be in the form of 2 cross 2 matrix, like we have to write it as column manner. So what is the value of A here? So already we know the alphabets and corresponding numbers. So what is the value of A here? That is 0. Then what is the value of T? That is 19. Okay, then what is our second pair here? That is TA. Then it is write it as 19 0. Then next pair is CK. Okay, then what is the value of C here? It's 2. What is the value of K here? It's 9. So likewise we are going to write, split the given plain text into pair of letters. Then that pair we are going to assign as corresponding number system. So A is represented as 0, T is represented as 19, likewise TA, CK. Okay, then we know the, now we are having plain text into same number format in the form of key. Okay, then we need to apply this formula. Then first, what is our first of here? What is our first pair here? So CR AT. Okay, then what is the value of key here? 2 3 3 6. What is the value of AT? That is 0 19. After that we are going to take a mod 26. Okay, already you know the procedure of multiplying two matrix. So first row and then corresponding row column, and then second row, then corresponding column. Like 2 into 0 plus 3 into 19. Then second row is 3 into 0 plus 6 into 19. Okay. Then after that we are going to mark 26. Now what is the value of here? This 0. What is the value of 19? 3 should be a 19, 3 should be a 27. Should be a 57, and then 19, 6 should be a 4. So it should be a 0 plus 1 1. Okay, then what else? So what is the value here? 57 and 114. We have to take mod of 26. So that, which means that is the 57 mod 26 and then 114 mod 26. What is the value of 57 mod 26? It should be a 5. Why? So already 26 should be 2. So 52. What is the remainder here? It is 5. And then again here 57 plus 57. I mean 26 should be divided by 4 times. So output of 114 is 10. Okay. Then we are going to match that this number into again this format. We need a ciphertext in the form of characters or letters. So what is the equivalent value of 5? That is F. What is the equivalent value of 10? That is a K. So the output is, the ciphertext of A T equal to F K. Okay. So this is the step to be followed to a encryption in a Hill cipher. Okay. Then what is our second pair here? Ciphertext of T A. Okay. So again key value is 2336. What is the equivalent value of TA? It should be a 19 0. Again we are going to put the mod 26. Okay. Then same process, and then here 1912 is 1912 is, so it should be 38 plus 0, then 1957 plus 26. So what is the value here? 38 mod 26 and then 57 mod 26. What is the corresponding value? Remainder of 38. It should be a 12. And then what is the remaining value of 57? It should be 5. And then we get the value of 12 and then 5. What is the equivalent value of alphabets here? So 12 should be a here M. What is the value of 5 here? It should be, so the ciphertext of TA is M.